Located on the southern tip of the South American continent, split between Chile in the west and Argentina in the east, and bordered by the Atlantic Ocean to the east, the Southern Ocean to the south, the Pacific Ocean to the west, and the Pampas to the north, lies Patagonia, nicknamed the End of the World. It is a wild, windswept region that truly feels like another planet. Patagonia is a hot destination for international tourism, attracting millions of people each year. But what makes Patagonia so famous? The answer lies in its breathtaking geography. Join us as we unravel the mysteries behind one of the world's most fascinating landscapes. Watch this video to the end to discover the wonders of Patagonia. Patagonia holds its fame as the southernmost accessible land on Earth, a destination that has captured the imagination of adventurers worldwide. Its allure stems from its reputation as a remote and untamed wilderness, offering a chance to reconnect with nature in a way that feels increasingly rare in our modern world. Spanning just over 1,000 kilometers from Antarctica, Patagonia boasts several notable cities and towns scattered throughout its rugged terrain. In Argentina, nestled in the foothills of the Andes, lies Bariloche, a bustling city known for its stunning surroundings. Further south, Puerto Madryn serves as a coastal gateway to the Peninsula Valdez, a UNESCO World Heritage Site celebrated for its rich marine wildlife. Ushuaia, often dubbed the End of the World, marks the southernmost point of South America and serves as a departure point for expeditions to Antarctica. Geographically, Patagonia's proximity to Antarctica infuses its landscapes with unique Antarctic effects, resulting in cold temperatures and dramatic scenery. Venturing into the interior reveals a breathtaking tapestry of mountains, plains, and lakes, each more enchanting than the last. Along its western edge, the formidable Andes mountain range acts as a natural barrier separating Patagonia from the rest of the continent. Stretching over 1 million square kilometers, Patagonia ranks larger than 80% of countries on Earth. Yet, its population density remains remarkably low, earning it the distinction of being one of the least populated regions on the planet. Central to Patagonia's allure are the Andes Mountains, the longest mountain range in the world. Stretching over 7,000 kilometers from Venezuela to Chile and Argentina, these majestic peaks shape the region's dramatic landscapes. With iconic landmarks such as Mount Fitzroy renowned for its challenging climbs, and glacial lakes like General Carrera, and Lake Nahuel Huapi, captivating visitors with their stunning beauty. Another compelling aspect contributing to Patagonia's renown is the presence of the Magellanic penguin, named after Ferdinand Magellan, who first documented encountering the species during his 1519 voyage around the tip of South America. Patagonia hosts the largest colony of Magellanic penguins, numbering as many as 1.7 million individuals, nearly one penguin per human inhabitant. However, despite its large population, this penguin species is considered threatened due to its high susceptibility to oil spills. Each year, approximately 20,000 adult penguins and 22,000 juveniles perish off the coast of Argentina as a result of these environmental hazards. Did you know that the temperate forests once dominated the Patagonian landscape? About 10 million years ago, before the Nazca Plate lifted the Andean mountains, temperate forests like those found all over Europe or the eastern United States blanketed the Patagonian terrain, teeming with diverse flora and fauna. Interestingly, it is in Argentina's Patagonia where the fossils of the largest dinosaur to ever walk the earth were discovered. In Neuquén province, this colossal creature, known as Argentinosaurus, offers a fascinating glimpse into the prehistoric world that once thrived in this region. After the creation of the Andean Mountains, however, the entire region underwent dramatic changes. Shielded from the eastern inflow of precipitation, Patagonia became subject to cold air masses descending from the towering peaks of the Andes. These cold air masses, combined with the influence of the Falkland currents streaming up the Atlantic coast of Patagonia, led to the eradication of larger plants and trees, giving way to sparse shrubs and bare rock landscapes. Over time, the Patagonian Desert emerged as the 8th largest desert in the world, constituting the largest area of the Patagonian region. Unlike most deserts, the Patagonian Desert is classified as a cold desert, characterized by gravel and sandstone formations. Despite its desert status, the region is intersected by numerous large and small rivers, which drain glaciers and mountain lakes, sustaining diverse ecosystem amidst the harsh landscape. The next crucial factor contributing to the fascinating geography of Patagonia lies in its expansive ice fields. During the last ice age, the Patagonian ice sheet blanketed vast stretches of the Lake District and enveloped every mountain and volcano from Santiago de Chile to Tierra del Fuego. Today, the gradual melting of this ice sheet has led to a rise in water levels, significantly reshaping the landscape over the past century. This retreat has been further hastened by human activity, particularly the effects of climate change, which have far-reaching consequences for sea levels worldwide. As a result of this phenomenon, some of the world's swiftest flowing glaciers have formed on the steep slopes carved by the receding ice. Notably, the Uppsala Glacier, located in Argentina's Los Glaciares National Park, stands out for its rapid retreat. Interestingly, the glacier derives its name from Sweden's Uppsala University, which sponsored the initial scientific studies of glaciers in the region. Erosion processes in Patagonia have sculpted fjords reminiscent of those found in Norway and New Zealand. Despite the diverse landscape comprising mountain ranges, dense forests, glaciers, marshes, and valleys, these fjords offer sanctuary to a wide array of animals and plants. The presence of Kaiser National Park enhances the protection of these fjords, which stand as some of the world's last remaining natural wonders. Within their confines, numerous species thrive, including pumas, pudu, small deer, dolphins, sea lions, and even orcas, making them rich ecosystems outside of Antarctica. Tierra del Fuego, the southernmost landmass, extends to a latitude of 56 degrees south, serving as a gateway to Antarctica. Despite its formidable climate and rugged terrain, Tierra del Fuego holds significance in facilitating expeditions to the icy continent. Moving on, another fascinating aspect of the Patagonian landscape is the lake districts. Nestled on either side of the Andean Mountains, the lake districts boast an abundance of meltwater and snow runoff. These vast basins teem with plentiful fish such as trout and salmon, while dense forests cloak the shores, creating a stunning backdrop against the dramatic Andean mountain landscape. The region's natural beauty has led to the establishment of numerous national parks, with the Vicente Pérez Rosales National Park standing as the pioneer, being Chile's first national park, followed by 9 more over the past century. Renowned for its captivating scenery and exceptional hiking opportunities, the Lake District has long been a cornerstone of Chile's tourism industry. In 2017, the region reached its zenith, with almost 7 million international travelers flocking to its shores. However, a series of internal unrest, compounded by the Argentine monetary crisis, which hindered the travel plans of a significant portion of tourists, along with the devastating impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, has dealt a severe blow to the region's tourism sector. The once bustling tourism hub saw a stark decline, with only 190,000 visitors in 2021, plunging the local economy into a deep crisis. Despite these challenges, the Ministry of Tourism remains optimistic, aiming for a resurgence in tourist numbers by 2024. Such a recovery is crucial not only for the region's economic stability, but also for the livelihoods of the 600,000 Chileans whose livelihoods depend on tourism. Adjacent to the serene lakes of the lake districts, the region's stratovolcanoes scattered across the plains serve as yet another compelling reason why tourists flock here in the millions. Villarrica, Osorno, and Lanín are just a few examples of the year-round snow-covered cones that not only offer picturesque vistas, but also boast small skiing resorts and challenging ski touring routes during the winter months. Lanín stands tall as the highest mountains for hundreds of kilometers, serving as a natural border between Chile and Argentina. This geographical division principle is applied to nearly all of the highest peaks of the Andean Mountains, neatly splitting the mountain range between the two countries. Patagonia, hailed for its unparalleled geography, holds a fascinating cultural distinction that adds to its global renown. It hosts one of the largest Welsh colonies outside Wales. This vibrant heritage is vividly reflected in the charming tea houses scattered throughout Madryn in Argentina, serving as delightful symbols of the region's rich immigrant history. Speaking of immigration's impact on regions, click the left side of your screen right now to watch our previous video, which sheds light on the complexities surrounding the reputation of the southern United States. Explore how immigration shapes societal dynamics and the effects it can have on a region. Be sure to watch and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to enable the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy watching!